Hey guys, look at this great short trade that I caught on euro dollar. This trade was caught with my trend following trading strategy, and in this video I will teach you my step-by-step trend following trading strategy. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Alright traders, I wanted to analyze with you Euro Swiss pair. What I like about this pair is the fact that on a daily time frame the market is trading in a very strong bearish trend. Yes, you can see that for a quite long period of time the market is falling sharply. And if we analyze the recent price action, you can see that recently we got a very strong bearish impulse. Yes, the market dropped sharply and set a new lower close around that structure. From that structure then we got the retracement, a very nice retracement leg. And looking left at structure, you can see that here on the left we have a very peculiar structure resistance. In the past it was a very strong support. 1, 2, 3, 4 times in a row that structure was respected. And of course after the breakout that structure turned into a very strong resistance. Moreover, analyzing the recent price action, here I spotted a very peculiar falling trend line. If we take that high and draw a trend line, you can see that here we have this trend line respected 3 times in a row in the past. 3 times in a row sellers were selling from that trend line. And you can see that just recently, once that trend line was reached, we got a very nice rejection right here. Lastly, let's add some FEPs. First, let's take a look at this bearish impulse. Yes, our major strong bearish impulse, and based on that let's draw the fib retracement. Look, here we have a perfect confluence with the 50% retracement. And one more impulse that I wanted to analyze is this one. Yes, quite strong bearish impulse within this major impulse. And if we add the retracements, again, take a look. Here we have also the 6-minute retracement. So it looks like here we have a very important zone of confluence between the horizontal structure, between the trend line, and between the fib levels. So from that structure we may expect a bearish trend continuation. Yes, from that area we can expect a strong swing down. So our task is to look for the confirmation on lower time frames to short the pair. Hey traders, for more education, for more tips, follow me on Instagram. There I share a lot of trading setups. There I share the exclusive articles about price action trading, about technical analysis. You will definitely enjoy that. It is at Vasily Trader, the link in the description below. Please follow me and let's continue. We are on a 4-hour time frame, and here we can see in details the reaction of the price to the confluence zone that we spotted on a daily time frame. And look, many things to note right here. First of all, here is our retracement leg, and if we analyze the higher highs and higher lows right here, we can spot a very peculiar rising channel. Yes, here it goes. We can even call that channel a bearish flag pattern. Yes, because we can see that the bullish movement within this channel as the correctional movement. And once our structure resistance was reached, look what happened with the price. Here we set the high, retraced at the high low, and then we retraced, and here we set the low high. And moreover, you can see that the price violated the support of the channel to the downside. Yes, so here we have the channel that was broken, but also we have right here the double top formation with the low high. And moreover, look what happened right here. The price violated the neckline of this double top formation to the downside. Yes, you can see that we have the 4-hour candle close below that, and definitely the breakout is confirmed. So for now we got our confirmation to short. Yes, here the intraday price action confirms the overwhelming bearish sentiment. So our task right now is to short wisely. Let's discuss how we will do that. So how will we sell Euro Swiss pair next week? First of all, our entry will be the retest of a broken neckline. Yes, and based on that structure, we will set our sell limit order. Selling the market from here, our stop loss will lie above the highs of the pattern. And our take profit level, the initial target will be the current structure level. So you can see that right here we have a very, very nice risk to reward. Moreover, traders, remember that we should start protection of our trading position from higher levels. So once the price reaches that minor for our structure, I will move my stop to entry and I will make my position risk-free. But where will be our second target? Let's open a weekly time frame and let's look left at structure. You can see that our historical levels are quite far. And here on the left, we have this very strong demand cluster. Yes, and definitely we can apply the demand cluster for targets. So returning back to the 4-hour time frame, let's measure our potential risk to reward for the second target. Yes, let's check. Very nice risk to reward. So traders, our plan is the following. We are waiting for the retest of a broken neckline. Yes, we open the sell position once we see the test of the lowest candle close within the neckline. Then we are patiently waiting for a bearish continuation to our break-even point. Yes, here we move our stop to entry and make our position risk-free. And then we are waiting for the bearish continuation to our first target. Yes, and there we close 50% of our profits. And the rest we keep for a bearish continuation to our second target. Let me know, traders, if everything is clear with this trading setup. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and let me tell you one thing. The most important elements of trend following trading strategy are trend analysis and structure analysis. Mastering these topics, you will be able to spot very nice trading setups, and I guarantee you that you will be able to make very nice money. For more education, for more tips, follow me on Instagram, traders. The link will be in the description below. Also, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.